Hi Pisces, this is Sapphire Blue with Starlight Divine. I hope that you all are blessed. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome to your All About You tarot reading. This is not going to resonate for every Pisces, but if it does, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and become part of the collective that I channel for when I read for Pisces. If you're cross-watching for Pisces, your energy may show up in this reading as well, but my focus is on you, Pisces. So you're showing up with a tower. This makes me feel, this whole reading makes me feel like you guys are going through some type of deep transformation or more of a reconstruction in some area of your life. What you don't see coming is the hermit energy, isolation, but not necessarily physical isolation. You may just feel alone. But in this energy, with a tower, because this could represent an awakening for some of you, some type of realization, self-realization. You are getting a deeper, inward look at what's going on around you. And where your focus should be is the resolve of this tower or this reconstruction, okay? Because after the tower in tarot is the star, and you guys also received the star. This is about hopefulness, renewal, spirituality on some level. So this is the faith of knowing, even though you're going through this tower moment, that things are going to be beautiful on the other side of it. For some of you, this is an awakening in your life. And the star is representing like this renewal energy, this renewal spirit. In this, I feel like your challenge is really finding balance, okay? Things being fair, things being karmically set is what I'm feeling, like everything being balanced. For some of you, this may trickle down into legal issues. This may be some form of karmic justice. And it could be positive. You know, you're getting what's due to you, or things leveling out in some way. But there's a need for you to make decisions in order to move forward, in order to overcome. Because you're going to see things differently after this tower moment. You're going to gain some type of new perspective. And for a lot of you, this is going to be influenced by spirit or yourself. This is really all about you, Pisces. All about you. Because you're going to be diving, a lot of you, more into your spiritual selves, Pisces. You are a very spiritual sign, very intuitive here. You are coming out here with the High Priestess energy. very intuitive, very in tune. So that's why I feel for a lot of you, this is some sort of awakening. And even if you've gone through some type of awakening before, this could be deeper levels of awakening. Or whatever this tower moment in whatever aspect of your life, Spirit, this could be like divine intervention for you. I'm going to clarify some of this energy for you. And let's see. Clarify this tower energy. Okay. So for some of you, this could have to do with your finances. For some of you, this could have to do with your place of power. But what I think Spirit wants you to realize is that on the other side of this tower moment is some sort of abundance, or they may want you to see yourself and how blessed you are and how abundant you really are. Despite whatever's going on. And I feel like whatever disappointments that you have endured, whatever things rained on your parade, whatever has broken your heart, to remain hopeful, to remain positive about the situation. Yeah, you seem to feel overwhelmed with keeping balance here. And whatever you've been carrying, I feel like it's been too much, and that's why you're having this tower moment. And it may feel like a loss to you. It may feel like a disappointment to you. It may feel like a failure to you, but it's not. Some of you were just carrying too much. That's what I feel here. Some of you may be having restless nights or sleepless nights, having a lot on your mind, especially if you are going through this awakening. Some of you are really in an energy of forgiveness, focusing on forgiving yourself, forgiving others. Some of you are understanding letting go and let God. Ooh, that's a lot of energy, Spirit. It's just one card, please. Okay. Thank you. You have the Ace of Pentacles here. Once you make the choice and decisions needed to overcome the situation or to move forward and not remain stagnant, there's a new opportunity here. This could be a new job. This could be something that is coming in, a new gift from the universe. But you're moving on to a new beginning. And this is going to give you a brand new perspective on everything here. On where to put your efforts. On the hard work that you have done. You know, in the beginning I was saying how it was important for Spirit to have you see how abundant you really are and the hard work that you have put into yourself, your life. For some of you, it may even be hard for you to accept how this is playing out, because some of you may be used to struggle. Some of you may be used to disappointment. But there are definitely choices that you have to make to get toward this place of comfortability with your finances, or being settled, or being happy, or feeling this sense of completion. Some things you're going to have to cut, of course. Now we have the Two of Swords coming out here. Yeah. You're going to be, you're faced with a decision, a choice. And not making a choice is still making a choice. And I feel like Spirit is wanting you to make this decision. Okay? So they can help you reconstruct. They can help you move into something different. But not making a decision will leave you stagnant. There you go, Pisces, Queen of Cups energy. This is you being intuitive, being in control of your emotions. Here's your energy again. Like I said, this is all about you. Your dreams may be vivid. I just feel like you are going to have a new opportunity to do something you love when this Tower moment comes in. This reconstruction is bringing you emotional contentment. It's going to bring you, for some of you, newfound love, celebration. For some of you, it's going to bring in some type of reconciliation. For some of you, it's just going to bring you closer to family. There could be some type of situation that could be forgiven or rectified. This could really work out for the better here. And then you will be finding your balance here. The disappointments won't outweigh the joy that you feel once this comes in. Yeah, some of you are going to be moving into calmer waters, moving into a new space, possibly traveling. It just may all seem to weigh out so heavy for you here. This High Priestess energy came out again with the Seven of Swords. Don't self-sabotage. That's exactly what I got. That's exactly what I heard. Because in all of this energy, you know, don't overthink. Don't self-sabotage. Really use your intuition to create strategies and plans. Don't make your choices all blind without all the information. But don't overthink it either. If you're being kept up, or if you're not sleeping, it's because Spirit is trying to communicate with you or talk to you. Your intuition is keeping you up. All right, so we're going to pull some angel messages. And I'm going to let you beautiful souls go. What's going on with Pisces here? Pisces. Use only positive thoughts to describe your home, career, finances, as your words determine your outcome. Okay, so this is reminding you to stay grounded, to always think positive. Okay, keep your hopefulness, keep your thoughts high vibrational here during this reconstruction here. We have career transition. Your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. What did I say earlier about a possible new job? This may be this reconstruction. You may be doing something that makes you happy. You are a powerful light worker. It is safe for you to be powerful. Your spiritual power brings blessings and loving service to the divine. Some of you, like I said, are going through an awakening, and that may be your purpose. You may be being called. I told you, it's your intuition is what's keeping you awake. For some of you, this could very well be you tapping into Spirit and getting messages, and some of you may think you're crazy, but you're not. Relationship harmony. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved. Vacuum away fear. Call upon archangels Michael and Raphael to lift fear-based energy from you and your surroundings, this situation, and everyone involved. And we have creative writing. Make time to write down your thoughts in a journal, or pen an article or book. Pisces, I know how a lot of you are writers and poets, things like that, of that nature. So you guys know what to do. Love you guys.